Okay. So we're in Strasbourg this week. I'm here with Rania from Al-Haq, an organisation based in Palestine, and I met one of your colleagues a couple of months ago, which was really good, and it's really good to see you here in Strasbourg, trying to talk to MEPs and civil society organisations. We've just had quite a good meeting, I think, but I just thought it'd be really useful to explain to us one of the measures that we're talking about that might be able to put a little bit more pressure on what's going on in terms of the settlements in the West Bank and this list. Can you explain a little bit about it?
Absolutely. And I think last week we had this announcement by the U.S. administration.
To the camera, so that
we had this announcement last week by the U.S. administration that settlements are no longer illegal according to the U.S. Obviously, this is a grave breach of international law, and settlements have been recognized as illegal by the EU and all other states, and that has been reaffirmed recently with the recent decision. We also have a recent development, which is last week as well, or 10 days ago, the Court of Justice of the European Union said that settlement products need to be labeled accordingly in the European market. But we also have a very important development at the United Nations, and that is a database that has been established by a resolution of the Human Rights Council. So this is a list or a database of companies operating in illegal Israeli settlements, and so that are complicit and involved in violations of international law and human rights of Palestinians in the occupied territory. This database was established by a resolution of the Human Rights Council in 2016, and since then it hasn't been published by the Office of the High Commissioner of the UN for Human Rights. And
so that's a list that would explain all the businesses that are actually complicit in what's going on in the oppression in the West Bank.
Absolutely.
By the settlements.
In the West Bank
of
and
those businesses.
including East Jerusalem, absolutely.
And as far as we know, the database has been put together, it's just not been published.
Absolutely.
Right?
The database is ready, and it is the UN have it. They haven't announced a date yet for the publication of that database, but it is ready and it exists, and it is a list of companies involved in human rights violations, so directly involved in the settlements, the Israeli settlements, which are illegal, and therefore directly contributing to the violation of Palestinians' rights. And that's why we've been calling as civil society really massively, both Palestinian, regional and international civil society. We've been saying that this list needs to be published, and we also need the support of member states at the EU level for the publication of the database.
I think from today, from this meeting, we've really focused that this is one thing in the very short term that we can really push hard for. So
absolutely.
we'll be working together on that.
That is excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.